Ia, lea ua 5 minuta te ele tula e wha, lea sfarele, lea solosu maliva masino o Aperilla. Tātou leo tātou o mai nei, ili tātou pokalame o tupulanga talavau, Samoa Capital Radio, tasi on, tasi malitasi, o le taimi masani lava lea. Ia mo tātou whanau, talitono tātou whanau naua, toi titi lava mai a tātou school holidays, talitono tātou o, ma tātou o le paka, museum, e whatalo whatu ia tau mātua, mālo lava ono sai, o te lole leo ta maiti taimi nei, tua tele male pulesa naua whaupopo mai ta maiti taimi nei, Anna Murray, tua alofa.
Ia, whatalo whatu ia, te ole uso e te wati, ia whatalo whatu fo i tua whine ia, Anna, ia mālole se fo manuil ni vai ngola wuri.
Oh, yes.
O tupulanga talavou o la tau le whaatau o tātou proklame o peo le sinima lau tua la tau whanau, young people, so peo na mone elisa o noa ngaluso e te wati, hope you've had a good holidays, 2 weeks, ia o te lo fia foi mama dan, mai aso fau, ia te foi o tō le aong, ai lo se me fia o le me, it's tau wana whai, o leo la ngana, we all came through it, we had to go to school, you know, you had to wake up in the morning, ia tu lava aonga, ia mai tu alu la aonga, ia isia mea o ngai o tau inei tātou.
Bo me school holidays, ele se au ngā fue tau overwhai for school holidays, a lenga whatia pa keki, ia awole so na whai, a lava sina fish and chips, tātou whanau fish and chips, sina happy meal, wa lava varna. Ia, sa auli.
Tai lo tota le lumo o le fali. Oi, malo le ai manatu na manuia ia tau malo longa le luva yaso. Mau foi se fasi nga malo si a wan tu foi atu ya onga le fo. O le temi le an nei tu vai lo atu a onga. Po fe na i lo atu a onga. Fe o se vai a onga, fe la lunch box ave le ia matatu ta pena. ia auani avea nei aso mulimuli le wa daso nei daso ataya sto nai mla sa nei me ane o te tupu ase fa la veni so alon fa na tato tunu ia ona le man wia foi le la matango o ngo lava yes fo ai le to fine ana male uso e te wati ia o tato proclaim nes really ia e pe ona tu ua male ya sone te nei tato mata upu i le teenage pregnancy ia mai to tele tato tunu le sa fa fo mai tato proclaim na telefoi ana ni you know comments fa matalanga vo ile na o mai fa fatai me ile tatu proclame lava yaso ia ma na ia ile ngal proclame le
moni le yo te loa ma nei voice tatu ma lo le tatu tatu no ya sina sem ia o te le vo ile tatu lava ia le le proclame te le tatu me ana no mai ia te ia o le te planta la vo ia atu le ole fa o tatu tatu no mai
e te wati
malo nei aso tama ia Melerita Malaulau o ia o le she's one of the lead students head students ile aonga leo mana awa leo na ta ua off li amatapokalam o Mana College o leo le toi faia ni la to head girls un head boys Pio lua ia la to finga fole head students it's all like as is so le tama ile o wa ia le aonga si fa matala tu le pole a tonu la vale ngole al terminate si tatou valongolongo inai pese lotu le male onga matango file nei Malo Folk College oli that's really Malo Faux College. Oli.
Ei. Salah mo. Coba cara fatu ta proclame nei mai ngole uli ole o sfuma 3 minuti le utene July fa proclame nei mo tuplang servo. So youth show this afternoon. But if I like to also we have a special guest in studio with us this afternoon. She is Milerita Malaulau. She is one of the 3 head students of Mana College in Porirua. Tasi yo tai. Yeah, my polisi mawulunga Milerita Mana College I Porirua. Ana mai te wati wa i tatou malo mai au Tia College, Porirua College, Bishop Yard College. Ia au le fatu o mai ale o le sao Mana College I tonu tatou le tiole. I leitau sak.
Welcome to Sama Capital Radio, Milerita. Talofa, my name is Yafi. So introduce yourself. You can say what villages you're from. Yeah, on your lafanga te fio mai ganya tu ia yo mai utua a. Ia afi foi le lotu e kalesia foi ia e te participate foi pete a lui foi ni porua.
Talofa lava, lo ingo Milerita Malaulau. O le nuu lo ainga e sau mai saulo fata I upolu Samoa. Ma lo e kalesia o AOG in Porirua, o lo pastor o Papa Kome and Mama Sarah, and Kufe is one of my idols at my church.
Ia. Malo lava.
Ai o ila I Porirua ia. Tine la veni Porirua le na tamai mo I tatu ofisa.
Ioi.
Malo ma fifio lo foi we tatu malo ni aso. Ana ia tata no foi ia la foi. Wa mai foi la ia savalinga foi ni vai time o le COVID e misila o onga a misi foi le ave foi o yam sita time man.
Mana ia. La tatu mo mo le vaanga le Milerita, once again thank you for being on our program. Lo fa ilo le tunu o oyo se tasi ia o tai e toru e toru o to ia o fai ma head students o to kolisi por to wa Mana College. O le fai unga tau sangani te nei a November ma te sema le sa i le swinga fo there was a new change na pa lotar to la onga your students voted to make a change in order to bring about this change of having just head students and get rid of head boy and head girl winga. O le ave sia tu langa yo tofi o le o tai tama ya ma tai tene tonu kolisi ai wa for le fasa for le tofi mo tanga ta uma mo tameti uma you are all the same, you are all head students. Can you talk to us about that?
Am I saying
Fapalang? Yeah.
I'll just speak in English for now because it's hard to speak all of that in Samoan. There's no longer head boy, head girl, and there's no longer deputy head boy, deputy head girl, and just head boy and head girl. And then, so there's now only head students and other head students who have certain roles that serve a purpose in our school. So we have 3 head students, which is me, another boy named Jack, and another girl named Rosa. And we are the ones who help to kind of like a foundation, or like we're kind of the centerpiece to help have a connection and help have our group like connect and make sure one doesn't go silent or one goes off and does their own thing, one doesn't communicate. Like we are there to help create that sense of community within our leadership team. And then we have the other head students who serve a purpose in certain areas in our school. So we have sports heads who help to have a communication and a strong base in our sports area and our sports staff and etc. like that. Same with our culture and language. Our culture and language specifically have a job to help create a sense of community and help improve our culture for our Pacifica students and Māori students, Hauora, academic, our TWA, which is our special area in the school for students who have mental disabilities or physical disabilities. We also have our arts, which is a person who is specifically made to look after and maintain our arts department as well as our fine arts department, so performing arts and fine arts. Yeah, and so like you said before, our students voted or we had this like meeting the year before we chose our head students that we wanted to have a change in terms of being gender inclusive. So no longer having the boy label and the girl label and just having us as head students, because we felt it was unnecessary, because, you know, leadership shouldn't be based on what genders you are. It should be based on whether that student has the good capabilities to be a leader. We also felt like we should remove the hierarchy of having head students, deputy head students, and then other students who were just there. We wanted to make it feel like everyone was on the same base, like you said before, like everyone is the same. There's no sense of this person is better than me, that's why they're the head student, or this person, I wasn't good enough, so I'm a deputy head student. You know? Yeah.
Mano, mena rita mana ia vaina le wa sa no ia. Mena rita pe na fisili nge mari pole ali vaina foi le dina wale to fa ini la to hit girls. Tai ding man la to hit boys, tai tama pe la o mo mo le to no polua ia ma to no Wellington ne ai. O New Zealand to foi. Pole o mo mo le wa fa ai wale to fa no ina tai tama po tai ding. Le la wa mana ia te le tani mena rita e mana au ia awani to any deputies for ia mana to le wa nga i tai unu ma sui tai. Awani awai le na mona na le deputy for the sui tai. E mo runga to le head student or head boy ia oia. Mana ia fa mani no nga na le.
Ole mana i foi le si vai nga ta wole ia for tulanga le chinta inclusive ia pe awani fa pe fuole tai wai. Ia tātou tatanoa, ia tai tama, ia tai tini. Ia pēla nā tā mautasi li a. I tangata ia tō lua, le tai ingo le aonga atua. Ia pēla because Mana College, there's 2 girls leading the college with 1 boy. E lewa pēla. Ia o le ua sao mai fo i luma sao tamai tai la tau i tūranga leadership. So woman empowerment as well, you know, empowering our women to be able to lead while tele te mi peo tātou tani tupa ta malolo ma tama e tai ia i telo mea ma e peola lo tūlanga fo ile fa pele tūlanga o la onga mo la le ni sila wa le na sa news te swinga fo ma le muli matan muli tai isi a onga
be mana e fo va nga lo mo mai i peo lo fai ma va nga tai tasi ina te pule va nga se o la onga wa le ta wa va nga o ta longa Vanga o me o drama. Api pe wo whaingo whi ona manage ia tamai vaenga. Wow, aso la pe sa a ta uro head boy, just ia head boy whaalongo tangata head boy. Ai aso nei, te whaia tu la system faula. Pe ia tauna whaonga. Sa mua fu.
Let's say example look if you like compare Beole pule ale aonga. Like ele ka that's the female, that's the girl principal. And ele e fo I whaia onga I see subjects like or whaia onga lea alu le maths, le whaia onga alu le English my writing. E kus fo ima le head students say. Head students have a certain role. Same as the teachers have a certain role to look after certain student.
Mana ia whatitinga lea ana.
Mana ia tele. Milerita, COVID-wise, Kotelo, Linda, no Mari, Kotosanga, Rotea, Tassilia, or Malina Moa Lava, Covid, or Mana College, if we're not telling for 2 watts and I don't news. Milerita, Oleale, Timing Nelia Onga, Olala Fianga Foilia, Tawa Onga, or you're learning, Afianga Foile, Fanawa Onga, Afianga Medicovici, what's its impact? On the students right now?
I think it's hard for like our students, especially our new year 9 and year 10 students and the kids in the NCEA, so like our year 13, year 11 and 12. When we first got COVID, the school was like a very good response. They had a very good response. Straight away when we had COVID, they like looked at what group of kids had COVID. So this was like our year 9s who had COVID first, and they took that specific group of year 9s and they isolated them and told the Ministry of Health and Ministry of Education straight away. They had the school deep cleaned within the those first 6 hours and 12 hours that the school was notified that that kid had COVID, and it was basically a normal day for the rest of us. Just that those 2 year 9 class that had to go home and isolate for those 14 days. And
Yeah, so for you, Melita, there was not really a big
No.
impact on your learning.
yeah, there was just a panic, because when you hear COVID,
Yeah.
COVID,
Yeah.
COVID, you're like, oh no, do I have COVID? Oh, do I need to go home?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and then some kids lie. They say they have COVID. And they go. But no, it was a very good response. Like, it wasn't even like there was any COVID in our school. It just felt like a normal day of school, and that something small just happened.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mana ia leu whamatala e Melita tūlanga sa o e latu kolisi o wai. O se tasine o kolisi momua i nei porirua lea sa a fia le whamai o COVID. Ia e whape ono le valu i tūla o deep clean ia tūlanga o le whalea onga. Ia mana vame vele response le onga i tūlanga fo le tau mfo ia. Ia pe o le popo lea le sa ia la matanga fo le ua. Po wai o la tau i o mo le whamai ia. Talk to us about NCA, Melita, why e inisio matatia le ua there are some, achievements you have achieved whilst being in college. You are now year 13, final year at school. Ya alas inisio se tano mai lau tamu whainga fo ile NCA ile level 1 ma level 2.
Yeah, o NCA level 1, mala o NCA level 2, I have excellence endorsement, which means I obtained 60 or more credits at level 1 and level 2, all with excellence.
Malai.
So
Not to brag.
not to brag, because he forced me to say it.
Malo, mana ia te lea. Ai te tau whai ia. Havia mo whate taina. Wai ana tato mai ia tato malo ma tato pukalani. Ia vele ma be role models.
Yes.
Whate taina ne mo nei tato tupuna talvo. Ia malo tau whai.
Te love.
Level tasi, level lu, longo ia 11 malia 12 o Melita. Ia le sa siel excellent endorsements I vaanga ye lua. Wa usia le ono sifuru credits po maka vo e po tongi e mo mia. E pasi ai la e mo umal excellence. Ia o te lovo le on track for level 3. Te usanga
Yeah.
Melita.
But mala o UE, I'm trying to get that.
Mali UE. Well, no doubt you'll be able to get that this year. Talk to us about your future and your career. O le ase me olo e vavai e wa o le fesile masania matutu I whanau ma alo vo tatu turu e ngai mai. Where would they see themselves in the next 3 years? Or where do you think you're going to be in the next 1 year? Wale la umala wa onga nei le fai unga nei tausanga.
Yeah.
What do you see yourself doing next?
I see myself studying engineering, biomedical engineering, and probably medical studies at Canterbury University, because that's my main course of where I want to study, because they have specialized areas in engineering. And I went there, I think, the beginning of this year for the Special Women in Engineering course,
Wow.
just to look at the campus and what they have to offer, and that's what really struck me, And yeah, I just hope to also have that passion that I have for drama and acting and directing, because I really love the performing arts industry and
That's where
contributing my what's it called, my culture to it, because I'm still writing 2 scripts for my school. Yeah.
Mali.
Mele e loi tanga o le van ta pena.
E.
Wa fa pe wa o le 13 Mary o le interview a. Te fisi fa. I ta ilo, te lo po. Te lo po fe te ia.
E sa amile te wate wate o tamiti pa pena tato fa pena.
Yeah.
E mai foli 13 mai o la lau la sanga I si. Te lo a.
Ngi me kau au.
Ta ilo. Se yo ona no mai ai. Ai va no me rita mana. Ia vai ngania.
Mana ia. Ole engineering, biomedical
Yeah,
engineering as well, and also medical studies. Yeah, le o tala no mai foi ia e Melita. Vai no o si tura foi leo turanga o tusia foi leo tala foi. E fa atino nai luma foi se movies as ti panga. E pe se foi le se ia o se tala foi le fa atino mai plays e fai te te mi in theater. Ia mana ia tele ia vai nga ia malesa ta ue e Melita na malanga tu lo Christchurch. Ila matanga to sanga ni for a woman's
engineering course.
Woman's engineering course. Ia ai la ta to ye. O va nota o ni wai tele tatu tatano.
Yeah.
Pe ta sir tatu malolen au mai le sa tatano mai fo ile lunga tu lang fo ile o meo. She's a tech person. She's into engineering, So science, wanga taua ia, e whaftai le oto mai fo, we hardly have people in those areas.
Yeah.
Milerita, you can say,
Pacifica people.
our Pacifica people. E se a e whalongo I Samoa,
Yeah.
se tonga, se Pacifica I tono ngā luenga ia, wha engineer, science, biomedical engineering, especially.
Yeah, it was me Mali, I went down to Christchurch and I was like, oh yeah, it's gonna be heaps of islanders, you know. I saw heaps of brown people at their marketing. O Olalo e Christchurch, yeah.
But really?
Oka, Inkia, Sainga, Kakapalalangi. Ai le mang Samoa. E kasi a Samoa, ai e relo fa Samoa, relo ngi me fa Samoa, like anything culture. And I was just come with my because I came with a ear like a bear like this.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I came down and all these people were wearing like casual clothes. And I thought, you know what? All good.
Yeah.
I'll be
Why
you know.
Canterbury, Minerita?
So the thing was funny because like you know how you guys said that, I don't, you know, if it was me being interviewed only at 13, I would have been like, I don't know. Like, and it is true. E ko ke le ka meki e leilo lako, like their plan for the future. But that was me, I think, before I decided that I wanted to do engineering, because I actually, like I was doing good in school, but I had no idea what I wanted to do, and I was just doing anything for the, like, you know, this backup, like, if I wanted to do this, at least I got credits for this. But I had no idea what I wanted to do. And like you said before, ele like, you know, ko kelenga ngi Samoa, ngi Tonga, ngi Pacific Islanders in like the STEM industry.
Yeah.
And that's what my teacher came up to me. Or Palangi, he came up to me and said, oh, you know, you can get a lot of money if you're like, because you're a woman and you're also a Pacific Islander, and there's not that many areas like that Pacific Islanders take in the STEM industry, and it would be good if you went for it. And I was like, oh, did you say money? So I just went for it. And one of the other teachers, she was like, hey, do you want to sign up for this thing? It's in Canterbury University and they have really good engineering courses. And I thought, oh, you know what, I'll go for it. And then I went for it.
Malaya.
Yeah.
Look into the engineering space, biomedical space. I ni tātou walong whanau Samoa, Pacifica, tūlai mai tūlanga waianga ni. E au ngā mō tātou i New Zealand, e tue fo Samoa. You know, serve our people back home. Ia o atu Samoa tūlanga lei fo ia tunu i whafo. Ia i tātou i sini wa pene. Tōle loto. Waftai Milerita. La tātou se atu wanga leo tai leadership. Bawa o stasio tai. You are a leader. And you know, that's really good to lo fo if you feel ia I shiuti nā. So how do you see yourself leading, and what's your advice to some leaders, that emerging leaders? If I want to be a leader, I want to be like Milerita, sorry, in the future one day.
For me, I think that I'm someone like I'm not a kind of person that likes to be, you know, in front of it, or I don't like to be the person like, oh, that's them, look at them. Oh, what do you call it?
Yeah.
Like the
Te mua.
Yeah.
Mata mua.
Yeah, mata mua nga. You know, oh, she's just doing it because she wants to be makamua and like famous and all that. But that's not me. I like to be humble, and like I like to connect with people. Like I'm a very social person in terms of my connection with people, and especially in my leadership team. And communication is something that I love. It's like one of the things that I think is the foundation of any relationship you have with someone, especially people you work with. You have to be able to communicate. And that's one of the things that I think I do as a leader, and something that's been ingrained into me as a young Samoan girl is being able to serve others and be humbled. So like I really love leadership through service. Is something that I was taught by my past dean Hana Tusa, as well as my mom. And you know, in the Kuspaia, there's that whole thing about serving the Lord and serving prophets and stuff like that. And that's the type of leadership that I love. That's for me.
o le tautua ia le lafe mai e le fifia foi ia e aveo ia stata vengane to be seen, want to be seen, like fi tata mata mua fifia lava ia e tautua
Vale.
te planta lavo te le ia ta upu ia painga anoa tu tana o ato pona te le ia ia meo pasama mai Melerita eti
Pe o isi me e tauna sila i tātou whānau. To be a leader, you have to be a certain person. E tauna a mata mai i taimi o ela i titi. Whanau mai i tangata e matua ifo. O e iloa, o e a mata le tautua. E tai. Tauna e a mata tu i tua le umkuka. Uma e ao ipu, fulu ipu. E alulo e kuka. E vai. Ole asanga na ole olanga.
Te lo, tata lo i wheko whi aua. Ta ua, o lau furu i pua te vore te piti ai are furu i piki. Ua e le fia fia mo.
Whaali i mai.
A te lo, nā lai fua tu ilo. Se teimi luma nai, a veo e mas tai. Ia matatu lai le mea na ole. Whai fia furu ai. E le tau,
Mana ia tala. Ue, ai tauno e whaatusa le furu i pu. No e tauno e fofo le whaafitauli. E fofo whaali i la le whaafitauli. E le umalmanuia.
Ia mai leanga i whumali ipu.
Ke leanga, ta e le ipu. Mai maule vai. Ai tango la e fofo whaali le whaafitauli. Mama. Tue mawhanawhana le ipu. Mawhanawhana lo loto. E tue whao ngātu. E tue whao ngātu le ipu. Wa fia ai, wa fia tau sami in mea ai.
Oi kulana ni sina. Bisa wa e tala pipi pasi.
Molta mea.
Malo.
No nei kuia ono le tala Melerita ia o tautua.
Tautua. Melerita, what do you credit your current success and the blessings of o la so ilo yo fe e mau mai e o fa monianga ia lewa ai nei lewa ve o matai te level ia ufa monianga i tono la onga, you've got your NCA endorsements for NCA level 1, 2 excellence. Ia o lewa e loa le mea lela anga i lisi la asanga o lewa langa lewa a veo matai. Who do you credit your success to, or what do you credit your success to?
I credit to my mom and my family. It's the main thing that I always like. If someone asks me, why do you do this? Why do you do that? Why do you always try so hard? How did you do that? I say my mom, because my mom is my support. My mom is my drive. She's been the one person from my birth, obviously, and then from now she's been with me forever. So I give it all to her. And because she's also a single mom, so she's raised us with all that she has and all that she can give, as well as, having to maintain a job, maintain a child with physical disability, as well as another child with a mental disability, and then also having to raise one daughter by herself. It's like, that's a lot of burdens for one person. And also, she also really helped me connect with my culture as a person who is an Afakasi, because, I'm white and a lot of people don't expect me to be Samoan, know my Samoan culture. And she's always made me connect with my local. And my local is also another place I get my success from all of their kakalos and whamalosis to me through Kuspaia, through Yesu. Same with my pastor and the whaletua. They're always giving their love to me, treating me like a daughter. And, I can't just have that go to waste if I don't want to waste my education, waste all their love for me and the boku that they give me, all the malosis that they give me, just to go to waste and throw all my morals away would be cruel, I guess, in my eyes. As well as my mom, she's always been there and stood up for me when people have, because I used to be someone who wasn't initially smart. I wasn't someone that was seen as a leader, as someone like the person that I am now. And so they mangaku whaakauwaa to me. And so my mom was the person who how are you going to treat my daughter like that? Why are you treating my daughter like that? And then she's pushing me. She's an advocate for my education. She's an advocate for my education. Sorry.
Yeah.
And so it's good to have that strong support system, strong foundation for someone to be there for me when I need my education to be first, as well as my church to be first. Because in my family, it's church first, education second, and then family is a little bit sneaking into there. So yeah.
Malo. Lalo te Milirita powerful ma nei e o langa le wo el tatu fa so wai. O Vasilia Milirita o fe mau mai fa mnianga ni ia o le utata no ona o shona tina.
Yeah.
E mau tino le tua mau tino le tua. Ai na te whaftai alona tina, mo le whaftai I tina le tua au o Milirita. Ona o lana fōi ngā luenga, e tātou tio le fōi ngā luenga mātua, e mese la tina ai o Milirita, te lela na ngā luenga o le whafautua, whesosoani, e le ngata, e tau fōi i tina Milirita mo Milirita. E te mi fōi ai mawala loita ngata ia Milirita. O tina la lepe tuba tau, au te vai whaatau vai I lau awhini, I lau tama, I lau tama, pe vai ngā pena. Le tu malo se ia tina Milirita, ia tata no fo mai via Milirita tulanga fo ia o lana faifi au. Ia o le fartua o faifi au, au na le tua, malana ka le sia o le talo le ka le sia vai ngā umani. O ahinga fo ia lango. That's the credit to your blessing. So mana ia le malo love. Yeah.
What is your advice to all our youth who are listening in today?
I think it's like make sure you know who's there for you, know who's there to support you, and if no one is there to support you, then support yourself even if you don't think you can. I think one Bible verse that really connects with me that I think would really be good for a lot of youth. It's very short, but it's like one of my favorites. I stumbled upon it one day and it's like a reminder for me every single day. It's from the book of Revelations 21 verse 17. Fa'alinga los fulutasi fai upu sful malfitu, and it's about overcoming the struggles that you have, and you will inherit all things through the Lord because you will be his children, you will be his son, his daughter, and that's my fa'amalosi. Fa'amalosi yourself. Strengthen yourself.
Fa'amalosi, maria. Ana, it's what easy vai ngam le muli.
Ni whaftai mo le sumai tatu pokalami. This is it's a rare occasion having a guest, especially from colleges. Wo tau sanga le sa tele tatu guest. Pe taru lava ko vici wo tau le tatu malo mai. Ai whaftai. I must say lava mana college, well, this is the first ever mana college representative to come into to Mangavin.
I te roa marima I te wat. Milirita ia olvaya so fo la so sa o la satina. But since we have you now, we're giving you this very special opportunity. Have you so
exclusive.
You can give your mama a shout out for Mother's Day and then
Okay, shout out to my mom, Annabelle Ulfale Malaulau Tuale Tonu. Shout out to my other mama, Tuli Talapusi. Shout out to my Faletua, Sarah from AOG Church. Shout out to all my aunties and all of the people that have been there. My woman empowerment, my woman idols. Not idols because I only praise the Lord, but
Don't worry.
Influence,
my influences, my influences, and all my women teachers that help and support me in school. All of the women that just are there for me, and
Malo. Milirita.
Happy Mother's Day.
Malo, happy Mother's Day to Milirita's mum and to all the mums she's mentioned. Manuia fo'i ongo toe o Nito Sanga term 3 next week. So go hard, Manuia. I want to go la or te tai.
Haftai lava mole avanoa. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Or tatu fata tanonga nama Milirita. Thank you very much once again for being here with us.
Mana ia, o le tau Milirita le upule o le women. Ei le siupe a matar W. Justin Wellington. Aiko.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now. Aiko ane. Chucking more fina anane. Chucking more fina ne. Start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you, life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Aiko, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Okay, your mama ngwele. Step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, DJ rewinding. Take it to the island way. Okay, your baby mama. Put on your dancing shoes. One drop it, pop it low now. Take it to the max now. Jam in this small jam way. Jam in this small jam way. My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Aiko, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Let me take it from here. Solomon girl straight up, right hoochie mama. Make me party non-stop in a island banda. Swing those hips and back it up to me ragga. A chance for party ladies do the doggy doggy. I'm drumming island reggae, rapping blue, green and yellow. Me jumping on me beat, make a slow wine for me baby. Speakers pumping, people jumping. We drumming the island way.
Shout out to the good time crew all across the islands. Grab your shoes, let me 2x2, and now we're shining bright like diamonds. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Aiko, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Yes, one drop it low now. Take it to the max now. Jump in the small jam way. Wind it.
Wind up, go down, wind up, go down. Twist your body backward.
We go.
Left, we go right. Turn it around and forward.
Wind and go down again.
Wind up, go down. Twist your body backward.
Twist it back.
We go left, we go right. Turn it around and forward. My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Aiko, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Just to Wellington.
Chucking more fina, ane.
Hey, aiko. Talosia na tatu whaonga ina pesere tau te sa aile ni as farile a. Wa lo mai el tatu vai aso ngalue. A short working week foi. Not fear, not le fa so na tatu ngalanga lulu ni vai aso. A le o le weekend. Esere mana fa fa lava New Zealand mo nei long weekend. O tatu sa mo ia vai long weekend e. Bo aso e se taso tau tina lo tamaiti. O New Zealand. Next month. Oli lesia tu masina. E lua tatou matariki.
O matariki ma le labor weekend.
Looking forward la tatou me.
Wa lo tufa policy public holiday ya so malolo New Zealand ai le kalin ai malo. Le mai atu tatou interview ma Melerita malaulau. Ma le fo I sao le fo I alo tatou tunu. Ya ta ua tele ya fo tuanga o mai Melerita mo tatou fa nau pa malosi. Ya mo sa ile onga ya ma telefon mo yang ai lo mo wi ya ma ne fo ile wi statu malo e mo ni sa no nga ite wati tau mai alfa ma ia ili to mai statu wo tonu ni tatu potwa sala ya o lo wa ma tanto e tala me
ya pe o tu se si ma sina wo min tatu malo fa lo ngia ma toi important pe o mai se piste wo mai se tanga pese mai fafo mai Australia e li lo se ia wili ili atu pe mo tatu malo fa lo
ne la lu ite wati su ba
Ia ai te wati mamari pe o tatu tau pule na hata mai tatu tano ya sura te ia pe o le teenage pregnancy ia po le tanga po ili ai whana tene ia po tano na nei po toi wha aro tatu nanga ia awa ni toi i utu te lewe statu taima su toi
ma nei e o le vanga le ite wati ma na le vason te nei fa tai fo le tu finia sina le sa fa tasi mai ai o le tasi ni ma pu siasa tatanoi tangata siasa tatanoi tatu tinu i lungo le tio ma tatu tatanoi ia si vanga na tu lango news mani vanga pena e neo o mai ai tu langa ia lotu i fale o tatu tangata sa mo o tangata Pasifika e siasa tatanoi tu lo fu fa fonga tatu tinu e tau o ni ma tau pu wai e me tupu ya long fa nau ia tatu tu tatanoi tu la i le tu pao o te mai tai te le ya le chupale o tamai tai wa ale o pule le ola pe le na sa no isine el version te nei suicide tell you afianga ma fo mental health problems in faina na tula mai ai ai le si vanga fule le tatu fa fongo sa mo tau tatu tala ma watu le pepe le tatia mai lu mo tatu o lapis tu lo ia po fese me le tu oile il tulanga la le o fefe ma popole o le tamai tai i fa matalanga i upu ma me la fe ngai mai le la mo le mawesi university ni e alu i tau na fe ngai mai the world challenges
Tato sa moa there's that thing when I be to what to when no see fai me utala ami tali o te running some masina wa ese se puta sanga talwai ese time ni pe o tau talia mo fie tu ko ia ai ile fanga na lava foto anga matu so me na fa manino ia te loi mana ia tata no kana tata no fi fa no ina i sa na matua tangata e ala lufa monia ya po ai lava wo aunties uncles na mama na te leo na fifi au pe fa peo o e fa fonga mai pe fa no ma tupna tala po ai le wo ma wa mai tanga le lo bala me fai o e le so sani no o e a me se ni sila
ele le awai e tau fo ina ita mama dad they will get angry ai o mai fo awai tau na wa tinga ya ma tu me le ai o mai fo ia they will become more acceptive wa le ma fa na lo ma tanga mama dad o nala e a matai loa ona e tala no ya mama dad po la se be fa feel na tausi le tama be can you go 50-50 on the baby be awa fa pe ona te aonga e te le i fainga luenga po la se fo e fa fi talu na au le so i mena tu mai tu sa e sel mali o me o tatu tu sa la po le ale le o tangata e tu po lo le fa fi talu vai le sui o le to so mai ni si ate oi o na lai lo eu yeah true friends fa fingo fi pena
e te lo le tangata voi le e upo voi o le uso o le wo yaso o ma le uso yaso vale e te lo ala tangata voi le uso sa o ya ia te mi voi fa fitau e moni tu langa le ma le fui a wits na ina se me mai o matu a tu puros tu langa pena ta no lo i matu yes there always going to be that pressure beyond so no ya ana there's always going to be that fear but tata no ma toro lo to awa te pole what if face me le ngai oi don't do something that's going to hurt you or take your life or whatever it is that happens or throw that baby away or that kid away because it happens but there's always being so no ana lo way elias the official one they much more improved services than it was 10 years ago 20 years ago or to nga meia na foi le la le lo le wo mai lunga temini
vai na foi le abortion si vai na eu fai pe fa pa o pequea me ta vietato e aí anisi o matua ponisi o nga li wale mana no fo ele fa man ye na ni alo ma fa na wa it's ma fa foi those other people can't have kids o fa man ye na o ya wa tsa wa o fa man ya nga mai le tu so if vetato yo mama la ya fo ile mama la ya na wa tala ya fa mai ni shoma to mama la ya ai tato I look on the bright side fa ko po ina fo ile ile no mera la tele yo mai fo ile e si te na mai tana fo I mai isa mai ni usila I don't know not tamina la fe ele te sa no ele tali ya po le communion na se ia fe ai un not why don't you fe para ya ma to tato para ai fe mai no yo she's pregnant her tala ma to party you're carrying the hope of the world that's everything you have to bring everything when you come to church ese sa mo tato sa mo ma to muli la pe fa pe to mo to la ma
ma le ya o vai ngai o tu atu sa mo o ni mea lai tupu mai o mea lewa o ngā mai tātu tatanoi wha aso atu ina ia e au ngā ona e le ise manatur por kalami fu i le i toi maua ni i wha mau fui o stats way there's always stats coming every year wha mau ngan pula leo la fia ngai mental health le turanga leo la fia o le mawhauwhau tangata, o se matau puanga o ngā timi ni. Mental health issues is one of the biggest issues we're facing at the moment. Tu ia COVID, tu ia wha mai, tu ia tawala tu lai me Russia ma Ukraine. A le tawala le mawhauwhau ma a. Le a fie tangata whai ngā luenga. E te le loa tangata ngai tiro whai ngā luenga lai e mea lai ui ei ma a. O le tawala na tātou te loa, le taua voi le lilo e le loa atu. O le tawala na le tātou tau te mini, tāua i o tātou wawai, ia ele mea lai lo tatano, fe tatano ai. Ia o ngā fo ia fiafa lai ngā peo na mole maumole, sia sine le vaso ni tēnei. Au ngā i o fiafi fa lai ngā tatano ai ma mātua, fa so atu mātua i whanau, au se awa noa voi le e tatano mai foi whanau i mātua. Wa pena mo le mauli telo team I tono matu a inga ile va no e tu mai matu e tatano tu ele va pela tatano fa tono no matu mele a se va no tatano fa so mi tono a inga mai fo tu la mama dad ma fa tono me toni ma ne yo se me pe mala mala and you're always talking that dialogue the conversation communication is very good I vai atu fo se tangata vo le se asa tu e pisa mai vo just keeping to themselves try and talk to them because la ile mela wo ma foi na switch off tangata na malita noti atu oi
wa tau te le awai o me mo na tau tatu malama o la le me tau o flama i tau ma fau o mental health awai e la titi lava te mi e te tala no tangata le e te le se impact e te fai lo no langa te fa pe e se ale le pe be fia eseve be fia ngutu esele lo e fa fita uli ele o le vela mena o le alu e fai tala o si tama tala no iai it only takes 5 minutes or 5 seconds for hey how are you ba wana wa mai oi o seki oi o seki oi ya po la tali e fai mai at least you tried
mali
talk to your siblings mali mari mai te o Samoa ele fai no talo ta fai so tuanga me ele ma fai no ta fai so tuanga ni I mai na le a me I think I'm pregnant now e se ta so tuanga ni te ro ni fa mo mai o fai da nan tini ni ile anu la well te I think was last month I said for me how do you know that a girl's pregnant it really hurt me for there it only me e tana no mai but he's younger than me ono fa le mo fo fa but I think he really needs my help o te fa so atu e tari na fisi ia awa o tene whaino o whai ale whaino tina amlo tama wai I vaenga e leona ni fisi di a mama te pe vaenga na ta ua I o lutana noa fa soa talk to your older sibling sister or brother
mala ia ta noa o le conversations ta noa stangata e te tari toruina ma fa maoni
ele no sis
ele na e wai I tangata ele alu you don't go red on
alo fa pe
alu tu sta Luis Pepa vo ele pa
Facebook post
I won't be tangata tari toruina ma le fa maoni ta noa tu it's kept in confidence ele o se mete alu vo fa ilo la langi ai tu nga me pe fa na o te fa se me la ngai oi that's when you get to those situations where tatu te lo le alongo so ifuanga mo langa le e te mi te le lo foi tu langa me tupu you know things happen I want e fa se me vo le ngai oi ta mo faita ta no yo matua ale o matua ta no yo uso mo tu fa fine vai stanga te ta no ina ta no foi la ona le tupo la foi au fa so tu fa le ngai ya oi but there's help and support available vai telo fa na u tupo fa na wa e fa mo nianga they go on to do so many things nga mo a inga ma e fa mo ni fu ia loto ma tu la to ia pe o mta pule e te le ia ma te los mta pule ua lo wa mai lungo le o le a lo wa te no ia tar si o se mta pu fa tu panatu ia ta to keeps conversations going to ta tu ai ora me la fa pa tu pu me fa pe ia e ta ua yo na va nga lo ta tu te no mo le sui fua alo loi pe o tatu fa na tono ne tono lo tatu no fo mau wai la nganga por kala me tamo faia tatu te no ni me ngai it's a pu e tatu that we all go up with you know we can all be empowered and come from strength or stanga tai e vai lisi me la malo si lisi me tatu nga lo va tasila build everyone up and our community up So we can be an informed community. O se community vo ile malama.
Yeah.
Or community man malona. Because everyone knows and is aware and understands. Pero upuna wali tatu upula son tatu team. Upula malama or understanding. Se leo tau.
Understand.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. It's it.
Macam wofi. Mana il tatu tanuanga ni aso. Mana il tatu guest.
Yes.
Jai lo atu pona tatu te mini ma tua ai.
Wah, tu.
Wo over male limits.
Lapa.
A mai se atu. Sui le atu. A mai se atu fo.
Olo poleng ala le melo sui la.
Yeah.
Wa la va tu atu.
Ole ngaloi.
Yeah. Ate lo. Ya tai lo ibla se wala.
Lei o te lo fainga. Ole tai me na me se me a mai le atu le. A wole we atu fata fa fera na e a ver uma na stress te me ta.
Sa o to. Sa o.
Ia masalo wole le amar tatu taimi. Let's Friday nei fa fetai level ma futa mai. Thank you for being with us tatu fa now tatu ma tua. Ma to. Mother's Day. Oh, it'll vai aso le po next week.
La sa.
O tatu poka lamela las Friday. Le la sa. O le ase tatu me mana ia fai motina, mo tatu mums. A fe pe fe solo. Vili mai, a fe uso sau pese. Vili mai, a fe tra noia matou. Oh. Vili mai foi. Ia taimil nei fatu. Manuel wiki eni. Manuel sa.
Le alofa sayota lunga ia e te uina. Le alofa sayota lunga ia e te uina. Ana tua leta si upu ole muangangana. Ole alofa ua pa savala ilunga o mata. O te mana tua tae vanga. E ta ape ile ta fa o ata. Fa ata lila upasia e tutu ile awala. Fa ata lila upasia e tutu ile awala.